Hello there guys, welcome back to yet another very interesting tutorial on nodejs. And so in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to stream videos using opencv, and it is actually quite easy. So let's head over to our browser. Probably let's see what we had in the last tutorial. So I'm going to log in and submit, and probably pick a file, an image, and so this is what we were working on the last tutorial. So let's jump in and see how we can actually stream a video here using opencv. So let's open a new tab and type in opencv.js, and it will take us to this page. And you might actually want to click on this object detection, which helps in techniques like face detection. So click on that, and click on this face detection video capture, and click on this getting started with videos. So here they are saying that the goal of this tutorial is to capture video from a camera and display it. So firstly we need WebRTC navigator dot media devices dot get user media to get the media stream. So the piece of code that will help us with that is this piece of code. So copy it and head over to your IDE. So I am in the home page. So there are a couple of things that we need to edit for this to work. Firstly, we actually do not need all of these. And we also do not need this file. Instead, I'll define a video tag. So make sure that your browser doesn't support the video tag. So I'm going to give it an ID, and the ID probably I'll give it a name, come input, and save that. So here we actually do not require this div, and I might actually want to remove the class and probably format this HTML code. So I'm going to press Ctrl+Shift+F and save. So most of this JavaScript will have to go away. So I'll just remove all of this. And I'll paste what we got from the opencv guys there inside that opencv ready function and save it. So the first thing that we need to change here is we need to specify that ID for the video tag. So it was come input. We might actually want to confirm, and it is come input. So the other piece of code that we need, so let's head over to the opencv guys, and we want to try and capture a video and stream it on our browser. So this code is going to help us. So I'm going to copy all of this up to let me just copy it up to there. So I'm going to copy it and paste it in my just below the catch. And I think that's all. So this is what I have. for the JavaScript. So let's go ahead and try and run it. So I'm going to stop it and run that application again. So I'll go to my browser and try and refresh the home page and see what we have. So let me go ahead and press enter. And go to my browser. And voila, we have a video streaming. So if you can see me, then you have very great eyes. If you can't, then yeah, I think you need to buy yourself a very nice pair of glasses to see me. So I guess I'm invincible. So this is what I needed to show you in this tutorial. So catch me in the next tutorial where I'll be discussing on something different. And yeah, have a nice day.